Hello everyone and welcome to a new section. In this section we'll be creating the animation that you see on screen right now. I'll be showing you how to model the stairs, add in the simulation, simulate the icosphere. We will learn how to add in the particle system and simulate the hair. Let's get started by going into edit mode on this cube by pressing tab, right click and then shift right click on those two back vertices, then press X and delete them. Perfect. Then go out of edit mode and scale it down. This is going to be our stair. Next, I'm going to press S, X, and scale it along the X so it's a little bit longer. Then go over to the modifier tab. Right here it looks like a little wrench. Click Add Modifier and Array. What the Array modifier does is it just duplicates it in a certain axis. So you can see right here, it's going in the X axis. I want it to go down. So I'm going to change the X to 0. I'm going to change the Y to 1. And I'm going to change the Z, that's this bottom value right here, to -1. And as you can see, it's going down. Go into edit mode and right click on these two vertices and then drag them out just a little bit so it's a little bit longer. Perfect. Then you can bring up the count. Let's go probably around 6 or 7. I think that'll be fine. Maybe scale it down a little bit and drag it up. Perfect. Then press Shift A, go to Mesh and then Plane. Scale up the plane by pressing S, then type in 100 and enter. Another object that we need to add is the wall right here. So press Shift A, go to Mesh, and then Cube. Press S, Y, and scale it along the Y so it's a little bit thinner, and drag it to the right. Then press S, Z, drag it up, then move it. Then you can press S, X, and drag it along the X so it's a little bit longer as well. Perfect. Now we are ready to add in our icosphere. So press Shift A, go to Mesh, and then icosphere. Drag it up, and drag it to the left so it's right above the stairs, and maybe scale it up just a little bit. I think that's good. Let's go to the Add Modifier section and click on Subdivision Surface. This will make our icosphere look a lot smoother. We can also hit Smooth Shading over in the toolbar. Perfect. Now we are ready to do the simulation. So go over to the Physics panel and click on Soft Body. Turn off Soft Body Goal and open up the edges. I want this to kind of bounce around a little bit, so what I'm going to do is turn the pull and the push to 0.6 and the bending to a value of 1. Icospheres and UV spheres act quite differently with the soft body simulation. With a UV sphere, you might have to turn the bending up quite a bit, but with an icosphere, as you can see if I play this, actually first we have to add in the collision modifier to all of these. So right click on the stairs, add collision, right click on the plane, collision, and right click on our wall right there and add collision. Let's restart the animation and play it. And as you can see, it's bouncing quite a bit and it looks really nice. But with a UV sphere, that might not be the same results. So make sure if you're using a UV sphere instead of an icosphere that these settings are a little bit different to match what you're looking for. Alright, let's play that one more time to make sure everything looks good. Yep, I think it looks nice. Let's go over to the soft body cache. We'll set the end frame to 200 and let's bake that in. So save your project by hitting Control S. I'll just save it to my desktop and I'll call it hair. Then I will hit bake. And as you can see, it bakes quite fast, and that is because this is in a very complex scene. So let's restart the animation, play it one more time. And it looks really nice. Perfect. In the next video, we will start to get into the particle system.